Okay, so today we're going to set up and run the PartyCraft C# source custom, and it's for Minecraft 1.4 at the moment. I don't know what just happened. Right, whatever. And yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay then. So right, I will have the link to both of these in the description. We're going to need this, and we're going to need this. So to start with, let's just download this by going to downloads and download a zip. Unless you're on a Mac or whatnot, download as a tar.gz. Right, let's open this. Right, just call it whatever. I'm just going to drag what's in here into here. Then we're also going to need craft.net, which is this. It's like the backbone for what we're doing. So if we download that as well. I've got very slow internet. Sorry about that. It's not even light and I'm already tired. Okay, so once that's done, we can open that up. And if you go back into that folder, what you're going to need is you're going to need to go to externals and craft.net. See in here it's empty. Well, we can't have that empty, so what we can do is we can drag this into there, like so. Like a bar. And then if you're running Visual Studio 2010, you're going to need to right click, open with Visual Studio 2010. If you are running Visual Studio 2012, you should be able to just double click and it will open. I know I personally had a few problems. Now when you come, you might get a few errors like this and blah blah blah. Now I'm going to show you some of the problems I had. I had that neither of those two could be found. I would compile it and it would say, where are they gone? Or I don't know where they are. So if that is the case, you can just simply, if you just delete them both, right click craft.net, add existing project, and if you just locate it, so it was in the externals craft.net, and we need the server and data. Awkward. Oh, herp dirt. Right. We can then do the same thing, add existing project, then do it to the server. If you then right click and press build. Right, so we've got a few errors, which is no problem. So in these two, it's not missing for that one, but it's for this one, just delete that. Right click references, add reference, browse, and there it is. Add that in, right click those two, press build, and then if you try to build this project we'll still get an error. So what we can do is right click, add reference. We then go to here, if we go to the server you can see they're both there, so just press Ctrl and click them both and click OK. No setting up is needed, as I said. Oh, we have an error here. That's no problem. We can just delete that. Add reference. Then last time this was an error, but you can just go into here, bin, debug, and just do it like that. And with any luck, that should fix it. Right, once again, herp derp. Right, we didn't add it to this one. So we can then go to externals, craft.net, data, debug, data. build, rebuild solution, and just ignore these errors, they're nothing important, and ta-da. Right, what I'm going to very quickly do is do a very quick command, so Control C, Control V. This is just so I can go into creative. This isn't here yet, but it's very simple to do. If you have any basic knowledge of C#, this shouldn't be a problem for you at all. So user.entity. Let's do this a bit more. There we go. Herp derp. Then change those into game mode. Leave the description blank for now. And that's just about do it. Right, if we then debug it. Ta-da! Now how easy was that to set up? It was just brilliant. I will put this class into the description. It's always lovely to have resharper, helps you with everything. And ta-da, perfect class. Right, if we run it again, then let's hop over to Minecraft. I am very sorry if this is laggy. I am not using fraps. Right, if we then connect to 1.7.0.0.1, which is what the server is listening on, we can then press join server. This is a tiny bit slow the first time. I don't know whether that's just 1.4 or whether there's something in the source which is slowing it down the first time, but whatever. If you just wait a minute or two, here we are. Now currently you cannot fly, so if we just do /game mode, that command we added, and it's not working. Why is it not working? Oh, capital G. There we are. See that? Chunk loading isn't perfect, but with the system is implemented, I am pretty certain if you teleport anywhere, you're not going to fall through chunks. They just don't load the most quickest. But yeah, there you go, your own server, if you to mess around with basic world generation or down to bedrock. I wouldn't really advise falling in here. At the moment you can break and place blocks. Ignore that. If we go back into survival, if we then break a block, look, and it falls on the floor, we can pick it up. Well, I thought we could, apparently not. Anyhow, still quite cool. Tiny bit buggy, I'm not sure why that is. Not too sure what that was all about. As I said, it's not perfect, as you just saw. I somehow broke immense blocks. It's funny the bugs you find when you do this. Look at that. No idea what that is all about. Wonder if we could break bedrock. But yeah, you can